before us leads to eternity, has a certain meaning, carries a unique possibility. Whenever I'm about to choose, I know that I'll forever lose the lives I have to leave behind. We make our choices and we learn. There's no excuse, there's no return. I'm so alone with paths unknown. Sometimes I have no clue what to do, but later on I realize that my feelings were true. The truth to find was hiding in my mind. I could be a swallow, flying over land and sea. Nobody to follow, I listen to my heart, completely free. But I never found my freeing wings. I spend my time on earthly things. Am I bound to my eternal walk? Every time we make a choice, we're guided by an inner voice. It's so sincere, but hard to hear when my hesitance and doubts interfere. Sometimes I think that happiness is living on the ground. My urge to fly may be